Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Today is Quick and Easy Day. Oh, and I forgot, thumbs up if you like the video. They both help my channel, so thanks in advance. All right, today is Quick and Easy Day, so we are making this little treat holder. This just slides out. So you can get your little candies out, so it just slides out like that. Really, really quick and easy. These are great for stocking stuffers, for nursing homes, for co-workers, for classrooms. They're really, really cute. And I love the decoration. I wanted to show the little packages. These are Dove chocolates. They are the dark chocolate peppermint bark. Oh my gosh, I just ate one of these, y'all. These are going to be dangerous in my craft room because I love chocolate. I love dark chocolate and I love peppermint together. I didn't realize how good these were going to be. I'm going to stick these in my grandkids' stockings because I don't need them in here. So we are also using the little tree punch here for this, and I am using for the sentiment the A Wish for Everything. This one is so good, y'all. It's a 2-box set here, and it has some sentiments that go inside as well, but oh my gosh, I love this. I've used it a ton. All right, so for this, what we are going to use, we need a piece of window sheet. I hope you can see this because I know the window sheet's hard to see when I make boxes out of it, so I hope it shows up. So this piece is 4 by 5, and then the little cardstock I'm using is Real Red, and this is 2 1/4 by 5. So we need to score these. So let's go ahead and score them both now. So you're going to score this on the 2 1/4 inch side at 1/2. And then you're going to turn it again and do it at 1/2. Or you can do it at 1/2 and 1 3/4. And then this is our little holder for our candy. And I'll show you how I keep them on there in just a second. All right, so on the 4 by 5, you're going to score it on the 4-inch side, and you're going to score it at 1/2. And be sure that I love the Simply Scored for this because it's got deep grooves. So if you don't have, if you're going to do it on the trimmer, make sure you score it a couple times because it needs to be scored really good. So at 1/2, 1 3/4. And then 2 1/4. And then 3 1/2. So I just go over it a few times. So you can probably see it better like this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and fold these right now so I can get them. And I usually do it with my fingers first because, you know, window sheet's a little bit, it's acetate. And the Stampin' Up! One is pretty darn sturdy, and that's why I love it for stuff, especially like this. Gotta grab my bone folder now. And I'm doing it on here because it's a little darker, and I think you could probably see it a little bit better. So I just do it with my fingers first, and then I go over it with my bone folder. You can always pull these apart a little bit if you need to. Let's do this one this way. Usually the Simply Scored will score it really good for you. And then our last one is right on the end here. But see how it wants to fold on each other, but you can always manipulate this. So, and what I usually do is I use tear and tape. Yeah, you can see the tear and tape, but it's really not that noticeable once you decorate it and everything, and especially when you have something to go inside. So I'm going to just grab the tear and tape, and I just use one piece. So you put it on one of these 1/2 inch sides here. You can also emboss this, but if you're going to emboss it to give it some kind of texture, you need to emboss it first and then score it. But I'm just keeping it because I want to see the candy really good because they're so cute. So then we're just going to put this together very simply like this. And I don't go all the way. I do leave it a little tiny bit above the score mark because it gives it a little bit of extra wiggle room in there. And so now this is where I just kind of play with it and get it straight like that. It really comes straight pretty easily. So let's grab some of our chocolates. We need 4 of them. And I just use glue dots to hold them on. So I just grab them off here and put a little one on the back. This is just something to temporarily hold them so they stay where you want them. And it's not touching the candy or anything, it's just on the back here, holding these on here. I want all the bows to kind of go the same way, so. Oh, that glue dot I got on the top. We're just going to leave that one alone. No, I want to get it off because I'm going to probably be giving these, so I don't want that on there. So let's do another one on the bottom of that. Put that one on, and then we got one more. Just like that. Super easy. And then this will slide in here really nicely. Just like that. I'm going to use our sheer real red ribbon because, again, I want to see that. You can even leave it like this. Just put Merry Christmas on it. But the bow is really cute on it. So I am going to... I need to stamp my little tree first. So I need to punch that, and I'm going to use my little sponge dauber and some garden green, and I'm just going to sponge like the edges of this. And if you want, you can go over the whole thing. I just kind of pounce on it to make it look like a little tree. And then we're going to stamp with some Memento Black our Merry Christmas. Aren't these cute though? I love this sentiment stamp set. And we're getting some really cute new ones too that have a lot of really cute sentiments. I'm going to use my little 1/8 inch circle punch here, which we don't carry this one anymore. And then, let me see. We're going to turn this, oops, turn this way so I can get my tree on here. Put the tree through here. The ribbon, I should say, through the tree. And then we're going to tie a bow. Let's go this way. I love how this ribbon ties too. It's really, really pretty. Probably make this bow a little bit smaller. And that is it. So sweet and simple and cute, right? So quick and easy. So there you go. Aren't they fun? All right, everyone. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. Here's the December hostess code. If you spend $50 and you use the hostess code, you will get a free gift. If you spend over $150, you're still don't use the hostess code, but I will still send you the free gift. You're still eligible for the free gift. So I hope you all have a blessed day. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.